so here we are in CapCut. We're going to go ahead and hit new project. All right, now we're going to bring in our media. It's like right in front of my face. Wow. All right, so semi-final because it is not done. So file import, drag it down to the line. And I mean, we could start with making the cover. So last time I kind of did like generic. This time, oh man. That looks great. And edit, and then let's see. We'll click this one. We'll go strongest. And actually, strongest. We'll get rid of that. Well, unless you want to put your own emoji in there. You right click and paste or go save it. Come back and put it in there. Strongest. All right. And we'll go strongest. Pre. Workout. And we'll vary it in size. Yeah, we could use this. I don't want to use it. Strongest pre-workout. Right. Subs. And we'll just hit complete. All right, now we got our cover. And here we go. Make sure this is selected. We'll go to text. We want to generate the captions first. I'll move my picture down here. And we are, let's see, text, add text, text template, auto captions, and hit create. Okay. Okay. All right, now let's check it and go through how to make the best looking.
Hey guys, it's Aaron over at Subs. Just giving you a break.
So right away, I'm not liking this. This can go above up here, right? But it should
Over at Subs.
move it all. Yes, it did. All right, now click into the first one, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna find like a text you like. So we go up here to text, or text over here. This will open up over here, okay? And we could play around with the different types of text, okay? Let's see. Now, if we didn't want that, we could just go to effects. You know, it will give us a whole bunch of different ones here, right? And then obviously there's pro version. There's, you know, pro version. Okay, we're gonna go back to basic, and we are just gonna pick a font that we like first of all. All right, Passion looks nice. Avenir Next is nice. Bangers is nice. I mean, you just go through these and find one you like. Coda, it's kind of big. Oh, that's kind of cool though. All right, so now we're gonna want color change on that. Something that sticks out. Green would look nice. Let's see, we could just do like white. Oh, this will be fun. We'll do white, all right. And let's see, we'll do like that with white. Let's see. Now, we're gonna go through and check spelling next, because that's what's gonna make sense. We're gonna watch it.
Hey guys, it's Aaron over at
Okay. I mean, we want to check everything. SUPPZ, so that's not right. Okay. Okay. Over at subs. And if we wanted to, we could change that color, right? And looks like we could do a white yellow or white yellow green theme.
Hey guys, it's Aaron over at Subs. Just giving you a
Breakdown of our newest pre-workout. Okay, so click into it. A breakdown is where it starts of our newest pre-workout. And right here, that can be, let's see, what do we like? We like that yellow. Nope.
Just giving you a breakdown of our newest pre-workout to hit our store.
Okay. And we can hit that color. And then remember, we can also make them bigger or smaller right there. That'll be really nice, right? Of our newest pre-workout, I could select that and just give a little bump and it'll be noticeable, right? And over here, select this and we can make subs bigger, right? All right, let's continue.
A breakdown of our newest pre-workout to hit our stores. Subs Unleashed.
Did I get the right color there? Nope. Nope, I didn't. Doesn't look like the right yellow. Not like the bright yellow. Huh, okay.
To hit our stores. Subs Unleashed.
Okay. Subs. Okay. And we'll highlight that. Actually, we'll make it Unleashed. We'll make it this one, the yellow.
An exclusive collab.
Okay, exclusive should maybe be the word that we'll do the two-tone with. All right. It takes a second to care, but it's going to look so awesome.
An exclusive collaboration with our guys
at Muscle Force. We could make over ads and hit enter, right? Muscle Force. And we could make this one that color and highlight it. Right? You want to stay like right inside there. Okay.
Force. If you're familiar with these guys.
Okay. And then we'll go over some transitions when we're done. Okay.
An exclusive collaboration with our guys over at Muscle Force. If you're familiar with these guys, you know they make some bad.
That's fine.
We're at Muscle Force. If you're familiar with these guys, you know they make some badass pre-workouts, and this is no different.
Okay. Okay.
Extremely potent, very.
Okay. Spelling error. Extremely potent. Right? And then we want to highlight that. And we'll give this that color. And something like that.
Potent, very high stimulant.
Okay. Okay.
great focus. Focus. Definitely start.
Excuse me.
Half a scoop with this one.
All right, last thing we want to do is we want to add some animation with that text, okay? All right, so click the one, make sure it's apply to all. We could be up in text, which is fine, but we can go over here to animation and it'll just populate however you want. Typing's cool, flip's cool. Let's see, typing. Let's see. That would pop everything every time like that then. It'd be kind of too much. Okay.
Hey guys, this is Aaron over at Subs. Just giving you a breakdown of.
Okay, so it's in, out, and if we hit loop on one of them, what's going to happen is I'll show you.
This is Aaron over at Subs. Just giving you a.
Right, so it just goes like the whole time, the whole duration. So if you wanted like one, let's see, one effect through all of it. Okay, animation, and then.
Hey guys, this is Aaron over at Subs. Just giving you a break.
Okay, so it's two things on that last one, right?
Just giving you a breakdown of our newest pre-workout to hit our store.
Right, so if you wanted to be consistent with every single one, then we'd have to do the wave in on every single one, and which is fine.
Subs Unleashed. An exclusive collaboration.
It's almost done. And then same thing too, if you wanted to hit animation for outro effects, there's that in, there's that out right here. If you wanted them to come in and out like that.
With their guys over at Muscle. If you're you know they.
So I'm just doing this now the quick way.
This is no different. Extreme. Very high. Great. Definitely start with half a scoop with this one.
Good. Okay.
Hey guys, this is Aaron over at Subs. Just giving you a breakdown of our newest pre-workout to hit our stores, Subs Unleashed, an exclusive collaboration with their guys over at Muscle Force. If you're familiar with these guys, you know they make some badass pre-workouts, and this is no different. Extremely potent, very high stimulant, great focus. Definitely start with half a scoop with this one.
Absolutely awesome. So that will conclude that, and now we will have an amazing piece of content, right? And it didn't take that long to make. And just imagine if you produced all of them like that. All right, so now I'm going to go up here to export. And, okay. And I'm going to call this Subs Unleashed. Once again, I don't. So I guess you could keep, if you made it in 1080, try it in 1080. I always go up, and my experience was when I did 1080 and matched it with 1080, it literally looked worse. So anytime I went up, if you notice any of your videos look like crap, just bump up the resolution one time, okay? Maybe I'm crazy, maybe I'm not, okay? But I bumped it up just a little bit and put with cover, export audio. Great. We're good. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you learned a lot in this. Check me out at basictoboss.com if you need help starting your social media agency or content, or if you're just a business that needs help growing. That's all we do.